Locked out of your iPhone? Here's how to fix. First, make sure your phone has an internet connection so that you can erase or reset a device right from the lock screen when Find My is active, which can solve the iPhone unavailable or security lockout situation without a computer. Otherwise, you can remotely erase the device from iCloud's Find My, but keep in mind you'll need your Apple ID and password to complete the process and reactivate the phone. If those options aren't available, connect the iPhone to a Mac or PC and put it into recovery mode. Then restore it with Finder or iTunes. This will erase the device, but you can set it up again from a backup. If Apple's official steps don't fit your situation, MagFone iPhone Unlocker can remove all types of screen locks, including Face ID, Touch ID, 4-digit, 6-digit, numeric and alphanumeric passcodes, from iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. To use it, follow the software prompts to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Download the matching firmware package the tool provides, and then click Unlock. The tool handles the rest and walks you through each step. Finally, remember that any method that removes a passcode will erase the device's current data, so restore from an iCloud or local backup after unlocking, and consider enabling regular backups to make recovery easier next time.